To be honest, you came highly recommended from people that we knew, not only friends, but people that were in the plumbing industry as well. And also, I knew that if I actually went with Arlo Plumbing and Heating, the Worcester Bosch boiler that I wanted for our property actually came with the extended warranty. And so it just seemed absolute perfect sense to go with Arlo Plumbing and Heating. Absolutely, without question. From the first contact that we had with Arlo Plumbing and Heating right to the last contact was seamless. Everything was really easily explained. The guys that came were super tidy. Nothing was too much trouble. Everything was just easy.